YouTube, what's going on? So today we're doing a little road trip, you see me? So today we're going on a little vlog. I'm gonna look on a car. Remember from the intro that I did, I was telling you guys about some cars that I'm interested in. So this car, I didn't mention this car in the official introduction. So I'm not going to tell you what car it is, but I'm going to show you when I reach there. So we're looking at this car today, carrying on this vlog. I'm going to Clarendon to check out like a nice machine. So this car I'm looking at today is not really common here in Jamaica. So it's a nice machine, fat ride. You see me? So we're going to look at it. We're going to Clarendon, as I said before. So we're going to bring you on this trip with us. You see me? When I reach there, I'm gonna make it see what go on, you see me? So when I reach Clarendon, I'm gonna do on the vehicle and make it see what go on. Alright? Out. Guys, look at it. This is so fire, bro. Damn. So fire, bro. Guys, the car is just really clean. Same type R engine.
Probably has 14,000 miles.
Yeah, so Let's see. This is really fat and really nice. Nothing needs to be done to this car. Absolutely nothing. Nothing, guys. This car is literally perfect. Literally perfect car. Perfect. God, the wheels are fire. Oh my god, guys. Immaculate. It's on the road. No issues. So low. This is me. What do you mean? This is me. This is me. This is me, guys. This is definitely me, guys. It's really, really nice. The red interior.
Let's pick up for a 4-seater.
Yeah.
This is just regular mode.
This is regular mode. This is really nice. And I love the fact that I don't even have to do anything at all to this car. I've been at a BMW before, but I don't want to try to go to the Germans as yet because of the maintenance purposes. I prefer to stick with something like this, where it's kind of easier for me to manage. But still.
Get engine leak somewhere.
Right. Right.
I used to be a Beamer guy.
Right? Really?
I have Mercedes now. When I drove Mercedes, I prefer the Mercedes. And then when I drove this, I'm like you're saying, for the maintenance, the cost, this is perfect.
Perfect, right. Can let me hear the exhaust? Can let me hear the exhaust? Guys, listen to the exhaust, guys. Yeah, that's alright.
Good?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Guys, that was it. We looked on the nice. I really love it. I really love that car. It's so fat, and I love fat cars. So I won't work with it. Hopefully everything come through. You know, we have delays sometimes, but hopefully everything come through. But I really like it. I really like it, guys. Yeah, it's really nice, guys. TLX A spec, and it can move too, you know, in a as mind-blowing as whoa, you know, but I feel like I can work with the exhaust so nice. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think the camera did justice, but you know, I like it, guys. I like it. So sexy, the rims, with fat sunroof speakers in there blasting. I'm gonna go a town I go a town and go to a car meet with this. So that when I drive, I turn heads. You see me? Everybody feel a look. You see, yo, what that? You see me? Yeah, just want to have a nice color. But that's for the future, you see me? I'm ready to set it. But for now, I don't need nothing. I don't think forget it. You see me? But that being said, guys, out.